Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix gaming services not installing error 0x80073D27 in Windows 11, 10. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Copy third command from description and paste it. Restart system. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy fifth command from description and paste it. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.